How to log into Snapchat Wave without phone. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to guide you on how can you log into Snapchat Wave without phone. Snapchat is basically used for creating multimedia messages referred to as snaps, which consist of a photo or a short video and can be edited to include filters and effects, text captions, and drawings. It's a mobile app that allows users to send and receive self-destructing photos and videos. So, would you also like to learn how to access your Snapchat account on the web without using a phone? If so, you have come to the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and it's crucial that you watch the entire video and follow each step for it to be successful. So let's start with the simple first step. First of all, you have to open Google Chrome in your computer and then go to the search bar and type Snapchat Web and hit enter. Now simply click on the appropriate link. Once you are in the official website of Snapchat, all you have to do is click on login to chat. You'll be redirected to a new page where you're supposed to enter your username or email or use a phone number in order to log in. Avoid the common mistake of using your email address or phone number instead of your username. So what you have to do is, instead of using your actual email that is connected to your Snapchat account or using the phone number that is connected to your Snapchat account, use your username. Alright? Type in your username and now click on next. Simply type in your password. Here you have been welcomed to the Snapchat for Wave. So just click on get started. Allow this wave to use your microphone and camera as well. This method works smoothly as you can see. So this is how you can log into Snapchat Wave without phone. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.